Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Lavender from Spooky Pumpkin Moon Nights. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with the two eyes and then a little button nose in the middle. So I'm going to draw two horizontal lines and I'm going to make it nice and round on top. Let's do it on the other side as well. Then inside, there's the two pupils. Two little light reflections, and then the irises. On each side you're going to draw an iris, there we go. And then right above the eye, the eyelashes. You're going to draw three little hooks showing up. On this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to start from the other side as well and just do it like this. Now let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Then right in the middle, a little button nose. And below our button nose, we're going to draw a little smile. And we're going to draw a little top lip and a bottom lip. Now from the eyelashes, I'm going to draw a jawline. I'm going to connect it to the eyelash. And I'm going to draw a nice jawline. I'll make it nice and flat here at the bottom. And I'm going to connect it to the eyelash. Now we're going to draw a little hairband. So first we're going to draw two eyes on the side. You're going to draw little pupils. And again, light reflections. And let's color the pupils in. Now right between the two pupils we're going to draw a little mouth. A surprised looking mouth. And then we're going to draw a little bow. So I'm just going to draw a little bow on this side. So what I'm going to do, we're going to draw the bow just above the eyes. And right here, let's do the same thing. We're going to draw a beautiful little bow. And now we're going to draw sort of a web, a cobweb. We're going to make two lines, or these lines sticking out. And then we're going to connect, and there's another line. So I'm just going to connect it. So I'm going to make the cobwebs. On this side as well, and we can do the same on that side as well. And then I'm just going to draw a little cobweb in between. Here it looks like a little spider's web. Now this is a hairband. I'm going to start here on top and I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to the jaw. So let's do it nice. And I'm going through the line and I'm connecting it there. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to extend it and I'm going to bring it back to the head. So the headband will be right here, and then I'm just going to draw the top of the headband and take it back. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing and take it back. There's the top of the headband. Now we're going to draw the fringe. So I'm going to make a little line down, I'm going to make another line, and I'm going to continue in this fashion, and I'm going to make another line. And there's the hair in front, and on this side I'm going to bring it back to the eyelashes. There's the other hair, and then right above here I'm going to make a line for my eyebrow, and I'm going to take it back. Now I want to do the top of the head as well. So I'm going to start here on top, and I'm just going to draw the top of her head as well. There we go. From here I'm going to draw the neck. So I'm actually not going to draw the neck, I'm just going to draw a little collar of her dress. You can draw a collar. Then right below the collar, in the middle, I'm going to draw a nice round button. It's going to be a belt. And now that I have that, I'm going to bring two little lines out, not too far, about the length of the collar. Two little lines, make it nice and round. It's a belt, look. There we go. And we have a belt. Now from the belt, I'm just going to make it nice and round up for her torso. And then from here, I'm going to draw the shoulders. There we go. And now I'm going to start with the little dress. Just make two lines out, and then you connect these lines with some curves. There we go. And then there's a dress underneath, or a piece of material sticking out underneath. And we're going to do the same thing. And again, you bring two lines out, and you're going to connect those ones as well. Now we can draw the two arms. And a hand on the other side. But first, let's go back to the ponytails. We'll do the two ponytails. So, the hair bands, from the jaw to the hair, and again from the hair to the jaw. There we have two hair bands, and now we're going to draw her hair. So I'm going to start on top. I'm just going to draw a little line out, and you can do the same on the other side. So we're going to go back and forth between the two. And then from here, I'm going to draw a little curvy line, look, and I'm going to connect it. And we're going to do the same thing here as well, a little curvy line. Now for the second part, I'm just going to draw sort of a little hook like this. And let's do the third part. I'm going to start right up here, I'm going to take it all the way around, and I'm going to connect it. And we can do the same thing here, take it all the way around, connect it back to the hair. And then the last piece, I'm just going to draw a little hook out, and then we're just going to connect it again. And we're going to bring it back to the hair like this. There we go. And on this side, let's do the same. Now it's time for her legs. So I'm going to just follow a line, an imaginary line here, and I'm just going to make a little hook. That's a knee, and there's another knee. Now from here, I'm just going to draw a little line out, and on this side I'm going to copy this line out, and I'm going to make it the same height. On the inside, I'm going to draw a little, the inside of the calf. Now this leg is a little bit behind the other leg, so I'm just going to draw a little calf behind this one, and I'm just going to bring it up to there. A few stripes for her tights. And I'm going to do the same thing here, there, and there. Now for her shoelaces. I'm going to draw a nice little shoelace, a bow. I'm just drawing a bow there, and I'm going to connect this bow with a square. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I'm going to connect the bow with the square. And then on this side I'm going to do the same thing. So I'll just draw my square first. Now this bow is behind that one, and then we can just draw a bow right here. There we go, we have two bows. The feet are very close together. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to draw two little V shapes, and from there I'm going to draw a V shape, and right above here I'm going to draw the front of the shoe. So this shoe is a little bit behind the other shoe. I'm going to make it straight, and from there I'm going to make it straight. And we can draw the shoe on both sides, and then here as well. And yeah, and then the soles. There's one, and this one is going out. Here's another sole, and we can maybe just draw some texture. And then maybe a few shoelaces, a shoelace that for shoes. There's lavender. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure lavender will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.